Hi everyone, this is mlisanews. I hope you're all fine. Let's talk about BTS V pairs apps dancing to Killin It Girl warned fans against making noise outside Paris hotel. Not my personal. V's Killin It Girl group session got online fans gushing over his apps debut. However, the offline fans received a polite warning regarding public etiquette from the artist. BTS member V truly enjoyed himself during his latest visit to Paris on June 6. He hosted a live broadcast to interact with his fandom army. During the time, he shared his Paris visit details and proved a little to Killin Girl, taking the internet into a frenzy. His calm life was occasionally interrupted by loud cheers of fans waiting outside his hotel. He wanted to go and meet them, but couldn't. BTS V attend the Paris Fashion Week as Kilian's brand ambassador on June 6, talking about his outfit for the event. He noted that it gave off jhope vibe. Why he wore a jacket without a shirt underneath showcased his abs. The style is reminiscent of jhope's look in the Killin It Girl MV and performance. After seeing that, he begins singing and grooving to this song, standing in the front of the mirror in his room. His voice has an uncanny resemblance to that of J-Hope's stunning fans. He asked him to do full cover of the song. Fans also gushed over him, teasing them with the app's wearing outfit. During his viewers' live streams, he heard loud cheers from the fans outside the hotel. They wondered if they were screaming after watching his live, since he was representing a brand at the prestigious event from in the Korean land. It was essential to maintain some kind of decorum, expressing concern about the noise disturbing other hotel guests. We politely said, since it's not my personal hotel, you get it right. While he did ask fans to avoid gathering outside the hotel or being overly enthusiastic in a public, he simultaneously showed his compassionate side by acknowledging their efforts. That was touched by their commitment, especially given to the rainy conditions, and offered words of comfort. He stated that he would have gone down and met them if the circumstances has been suitable. You can also read this news from the description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.